How to fix Instagram Reels not loading on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Over here, now simply tap on the search bar and search for Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of open over here, which means we do not have the option of any updates. So we have a latest update or latest version of the Instagram application on our device. So we're going to go back to the home screen and simply make a long press on the Instagram application. Then tap on app info. And as we tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you will be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select on the clear cache option and then tap on OK. As you do that, you can simply relaunch the Instagram application and it might definitely help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.